Hey guys, welcome to another video. My blueberry tree doing great this year. The grapes. This is black grapes. They're waking up, looking good. In this raised bed over here, I can see them coming up. This is the callaloo. I could see some peppers. These are some baby hot peppers. Beets is coming up. Arugula. Okay, the weather got cold, and these are the red cucumbers. Got kind of chilly. I'm gonna cover this thing up. Corn, gungo peas. Scotch bonnet peppers are coming up. The weather kind of tricked me. See, everything, I'm probably gonna have to do all this all over again. The weather kind of tricked me, so I put everything out, and then we get a cold spell. So we'll see what's going on. I hope it doesn't hurt the peppers. Brought the peppers out. Pray to God it doesn't hurt them, and I'm not bringing them back in. It's good for the potatoes. Oh, I gotta get rid of this. This is the sweet potato, and water got all into it, so I'm gonna get rid of that. It looks like something is eating my pomegranate. Throw this water off, and I'm gonna wind up moving this. Strawberries are showing out. I got plenty of strawberries under there. The herbs, they're coming up pretty good. All right, these are the pumpkins. That's mint, and all these you see right here. When you peel your potatoes and you throw them in and make mulch, the skin, they'll grow back. So all these are potatoes from the skin. All right, over here, lined up, is the onions. I'm gonna do a couple more videos and show you guys. Catch you guys on the next one.